King Charles' bittersweet Father's Day amid lingering rift with Prince Harry. King Charles celebrated Father's Day on Sunday, June 15th, with a poignant tribute on Instagram.
The decision has been a surprise as well as not a surprise. For the time being, it's impossible for me to take my family back to the UK.
The post, shared on the account he maintains with Queen Camilla, featured a touching throwback photo, a young King Charles and Princess, and being pushed on a swing by their late father, Prince Philip. Another snap showed Queen Camilla with her own late father, Major Bruce Shand. Caption read, "To all dads everywhere, we wish you a happy Father's Day today." However, this annual holiday arrived amidst a deep and seemingly unhealing rift between the 76-year-old king and his younger son, Prince Harry. The Duke of Sussex and his wife, Meghan Markle, were notably absent from Trooping the Colour on Saturday, June 14th, where most of the royal family gathered for the king's official birthday parade. The unfolding royal divide this family fissure first spilled into public view in 2020, when Prince Harry and Meghan stepped back from their royal duties and relocated to California. They made the move with their son, Prince Archie, now 6, and their daughter, Princess Lilibet, 4, was born there in 2021. A significant point of contention is said to be the state-funded UK security that Prince Harry lost after his royal exit. On May 2nd, a judge dismissed his crucial legal appeal to have this protection restored, a battle his lawyers have chillingly described as a fight for his life. In a bombshell BBC interview aired on the same day as the security ruling, Prince Harry expressed a strong desire to reconcile with his family. "I would love reconciliation with my family. There's no point in continuing to fight anymore," he shared. He added a somber note, referencing his father's cancer diagnosis from 2024. "Life is precious. I don't know how much longer my father has." Palace sources indicated late last year that the king's cancer treatment would continue into this year, moving in a positive direction, and as a managed condition. Harry then made a personal admission. "He won't speak to me because of this security stuff, but it would be nice to reconcile." Adding to the shock, the Duke revealed in the same interview that he can't see a world where he would bring Meghan, Archie, and Lily back to the UK without the crucial protection he seeks. This Father's Day serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing tensions within the royal family, leaving many wondering if and when the deep divide will ever truly heal.